Another daily vlog. It's drizzling today. Weather's not as nice as it was yesterday. We got class, then we got practice, then we got a meeting for FME. And I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but something's gonna be cool, so stay tuned for that. We're making a smoothie. Smoothie is done. The blender is kind of. This is today's lunch. We're eating outside. It's such a nice day once again. Like, I don't know where this November weather is, but it feels like a nice spring day. It was way colder for like the entire month of October. As soon as we hit November, like, oh my gosh, what is this weather? We got regionals on Saturday in Brunswick, Maine, New Brunswick, Bowdoin College hosting. If it's like this, it's over. Feeling dangerous. Oh yeah. Tony, #1 runner at Babson College.
What's up?
You ready for regionals?
No, I'm not ready.
You gotta be ready on Saturday though, right?
No, I'm not ready.
Heard they give out free trip to nationals for anyone in the top 7. Is that gonna be you?
This guy's gonna make it.
Mr. Yamakawa.
Mr. Makawa.
Yeah.
The boys are ready. You ready to
Nationals?
nationals?
Oh yeah, nationals.
Zach Walker too?
You know it.
Maybe all of us. We
You know
never
he
know.
can drop a sub 4 mile.
What about me, man?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Zach Walker.
Oh.
Oh.
He's nervous.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Where did that thing go?